Adoniram was a significant figure mentioned in the Hebrew Scriptures who served under 3 kings of Israel: David, Solomon, and Rehoboam. Role and responsibilities. Chief over forced labor. Adoniram was appointed as the overseer of forced labor, also referred to as the levy or compulsory service. His role involved organizing and supervising laborers for large-scale national projects. Service under kings. King David. His service began under King David, where he is first mentioned in the administrative records, 2 Samuel chapter 20 verse 24. King Solomon. Adoniram continued in his position during Solomon's reign, contributing to monumental projects like the construction of the Temple in Jerusalem. 1 Kings chapter 4 verse 6. King Rehoboam. He remained in office into Rehoboam's reign, Solomon's successor. Notable events. Revolt against Rehoboam. During Rehoboam's rule, the Israelites expressed discontent over heavy labor burdens imposed upon them. Death of Adoniram. As recorded in 1 Kings chapter 12 verse 18, Rehoboam sent Adoniram to address the people's grievances. However, the frustrated Israelites reacted by stoning Adoniram to death, leading Rehoboam to flee to Jerusalem. This incident contributed to the division of the united monarchy into the northern and southern kingdoms. Jehovah's Witnesses' perspective. Lessons on leadership. Adoniram's experience is often used to illustrate the consequences of oppressive leadership and the importance of heeding the concerns of others. His death underscores how unfair practices can lead to unrest and division. Biblical interpretation. Jehovah's Witnesses interpret these events as fulfilling prophetic outcomes and demonstrating the need for leaders to exercise wisdom and compassion. Application for today. The account serves as a cautionary tale within their teachings, emphasizing that those in authority should not overburden others but should lead with justice and humility. Additional resources. For more in-depth information, Jehovah's Witnesses encourage exploring the following resources on jw.org. Bible study articles. Detailed analyses of biblical accounts involving Adoniram. Publications. Books and magazines that discuss historical contexts and lessons derived from his life. Media content. Videos and audio recordings that provide overviews of Israel's history during Adoniram's time. These resources aim to provide a comprehensive understanding of Adoniram's role and the spiritual lessons that can be learned from his experiences.